All right, let's get this started. So, we're going to daily real quick. So we can see from the daily, right? First we failed to close above these wicks and to try to attack these all-time highs in here. And then from that we closed underneath here. Actually, on Friday, we gapped up and opened, and then the very next day, on Tuesday, right, we dropped down, closing underneath this fair value gap, and we essentially traded all the way through this gap and all the way to this little imbalance right over here. This is essentially where we hit. We hit this imbalance between these two candles, and right now I'm kind of in between. I'm kind of in. I don't want to force a sell right now. You know what I mean? Just because price drop. At the same time, I don't want to force a buy either. So I'm in between with like where price wants to go. For me, I mean, for me, if the price to show at least some type of bullishness, I would need to see maybe price goes above here, but I don't need to wait for price to get up here to buy. I just need. Sure. I just need confirmation from price. I need to see how price wants to do. But so far we've been dropping from Monday all the way down until Tuesday and Asian session. That's essentially what's the, I guess, the short term low that we made. I don't know if this is the low of the week. I don't, like I said, I don't want to assume this is going to be the low of the week. But there is some buy side liquidity if we can get above some key levels. I mean, there's a 15-minute frame right gap, halfway point right here, and then there's some liquidity. If we keep going above here and here, right? There's some more liquidity up here. But like I said, I don't want to force anything right now. I just want to sit on my hands and wait until I get something clear. That's essentially what I'm just waiting for right now. So I don't really have, honestly, like a set in stone bias right now, which, you know, it's not the best, but this means I gotta be more patient, wait for a clear flat entry. Because the price is still, I mean, this still lows. I mean, we got this low right here. This is the Asia session low. Let me just check out the Asia, the London slash Asia session if it's intact. We got these highs. We already to swept these London highs right here already, and then we got these London lows right here. And then it's the Asia session low. So from the sessions, right? Only at least from the previous session, the only thing we have intact is just the London lows. And also there's news at 10 o'clock today actually as well. So I just wait a little bit. Maybe price would tip his hand. It's the 9:30 bell. These lines, just to be preparing the price to go lower or just have these loans out. really strong reaction to start. Still going to make it close enough there. Maybe try to things like more possibly, or if a little short term, and then maybe here halfway, they take something off and wait the whole to here. That wouldn't be terrible. Yeah, just an idea. Just really know how fair about you got already. Yeah, I understand. That's pretty strong. Still nothing. Yeah, I know first fair about you guys, so ain't nothing to worry about. Hmm. Depending on how what price does in this next candle, this could potentially be the first one. This would be a huge fair value gap. Can't even lie. Actually, Hello? Hello? What happened? Okay, hold on. I'll call you back. Hold on. Give me a second. Yeah, give me I'll call you back. Hold on. Okay, all right. Hold on. I know. Hold on. I'll call you back. Hold on. There's a small little fair value gap pricing I've been to. The first present to run away, really leaving away from this level extremely strong. I'll be willing to try. If it comes that back down here, I'll be willing to try it. There's still like a lot of buy side up here. Doesn't necessarily have to get up back up there, but even if we come back here, I'll try it. So if this right here, it's in the buy side actually.
Order submitted.
I don't know if I'm gonna entry again.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop that.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
Try this one out right here. If this don't work, then I'm done.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Today was a today was a brutal day for me, man. I didn't stay true to my entry. If I would have just stayed true to my entry, I wouldn't even have to take any losses whatsoever. At the two units right here, one, two, and just let it run.